Wait, I said he go to office every day and nobody corrected me? I've been saying that for months. Is that wrong?
It's a super common mistake, but yes, it's wrong. Don't worry, you're not alone. A lot of learners struggle with this.
So, how do I fix it? I want to sound fluent, not funny. People may be laughing at me and I don't even know.
Do you also do the same mistakes and don't even know about it? Don't worry. From today onwards, you will not repeat these silly mistakes. Right. Let's fix that in just 5 minutes. These 5 grammar hacks will instantly boost your fluency and confidence. Ready? Let's roll. Hack number 01. Stop dropping the S.
I go to school. She go to school. Oops. Is it wrong? I feel something wrong here. Am I right?
He, she, it always takes S. So from today, always say, she goes to school every day, not she go to school. Tiny change, big impact.
Is there something else?
Yes, there is.
What?
You have to use S with name and singular also.
Singular means anything, right? Like any animal or place or bird, right?
Right. You can use it with inanimate objects too.
Inanimate?
Means objects which have no life, like computer, mobile, fan, school, diamond, star, moon, anything. Understood? My naive Watson?
Yes, James Holmes.
Hack number 02.
Kill the double negatives.
I don't know nothing about grammar. Or maybe I do.
Aha. See? Another common mistake. Remember, focus. Whenever you see 2 negatives together, like here, don't and nothing, yes, yes. After that,
Stop your horses, my dear Watson. Always use the first word, remove the second negative word, add a new positive word.
Aha, got it. You mean use don't and remove nothing, right?
Right, you nailed it.
Like, I don't know anything, right? Anything is positive word, am I correct?
Yeah, you are correct. Think of it like maths. Equals minus plus minus equals confusion. 2 negatives cancel each other. Simple.
English as maths, this is new.
Yes, maths. Problem is we mug up without trying to understand English.
Aha, that's why we end up saying, I learned, but I forget. Now I understand. I will never mug up ever. Hack number 3?
Yes, hack number 3 is master since versus for.
Ah, another googly. Since and for always confuses me. I've lived here since 5 years. Sounds okay, right?
Nah, use for with duration, since with a starting point. I've lived here for 5 years. I've lived here since 2018. I've lived here since 5 years. Now it sounds fluent.
yes, yes, she is working here for 10 years. Prasad is brushing his teeth since Monday, right?
Brushing his teeth since Monday. Perfect. Now you nailed it.
I will never forget now. Aha, another one pops up. Sita is taking bath since 2000. Hack number 4. Stop misusing will. Oh, will you say, I have a confusion. I will call you when I will reach home. Double will? Can we use double will?
No, we can't. Remember this. When we use the words like after when, if, before, present indefinite tense will follow. I'll call you when I reach home. When you reach, not I'll call you when I will reach home. Smooth and natural.
Now I get it. I can say like, she will complete her project after she reaches home, right?
You cracked the case, Daya?
Hack number 5. The article trick. A, an, the. She is a whole nest person. Or an honest person? Too much confusion gives me headache always.
Headache, you say? Here's the medicine. Remember to use "an" before vowel sounds. We are speaking, not writing. So don't get confused. Just concentrate on what you are saying. Don't look at the spelling of the word. She is an honest person. He is a university student. Here, don't look at the spelling, focus on how you say you. Y-O-U. The sound of Y is coming here, so don't say, she is an honest person. An honest. H is silent. Articles are tiny like Maradona, but very powerful.
I have seen the video completely till here. Any Diwali gift for me?
Yes, Diwali gift. Here's the bonus hack for you. Can't, able, to. It's gone viral lately.
Can't, able, to? What's that? Never heard before.
The use of can't, able to together.
Meaning? Can't get you.
Like many people say, I can't able to complete the project.
But it doesn't sound right. Makes no sense.
Exactly. It makes no sense.
Still not able to understand.
See? You just said not able to understand. You didn't say can't able to understand. This is a super common mistake people make nowadays.
And they don't realize it? Funny.
Yes, it's funny, but also confusing.
Confusing?
We can't use can't and able to together. Can already shows ability. I can complete the project. I am able to complete the project, but not I can't able to complete the project.
Oh, got it. So either say, I can't complete the project or I'm not able to complete the project, right?
Exactly.
Ugh, confusing. Hope people are able to understand.
I hope so. So how many of you have said, I can't able to understand? Write it down in the comment box.
Wow, that was simple. I'm never making these mistakes again.
Now it's your turn. Write one grammar mistake you used to make in the comments below. Did you feel improvement after watching this video? Comment below. And don't miss our next upload. Bing! 10 common email mistakes you make every day. It's going to change how you write forever. See you there. Sayonara.